So comment out HTML. Remember that in order to start a comment you need to use this and that. And here you'll need to comment before your H2 element begins. Comment out your H1 element and your P element, but not your H2 element. So we want to comment the H1 element, like come along there, and do that, but not the H2 element, but the P element. So again, shift and M, the key next to the M, exclamation mark, 2 minuses, and you can either type something or you can leave it. And then that should be it. Yabba dabba do, moving on. Delete HTML elements. Our phone doesn't have much vertical space. Let's remove the unnecessary elements so we can start building our cat photo app. Delete your H1 elements so we can simplify our view. So we're going to just highlight that and backspace and delete it all. So HTML introduces more descriptive HTML tags. These include main, header, footer, nav, video, article, section and others. These tags give a descriptive structure to your HTML element. Make your HTML easier to read and help with search engine optimization and accessibility. The main HTML5 tag helps search engines and other developers find the main content of your page. Example, use a main element with 2 child elements nested inside it. So that's the main element, and the 2 child elements are H1 and P tag inside the main tag because it's a closing tag. So it's a main tag, child tags are H1 and P is the child tag. Many of the new HTML5 tags and their benefits are covered in the applied accessibility section. Create a second P element with the following kitty ipsum text. So we're going to use some random text again. So Control C, copy and paste. So we need to put in another P element with a closing P tag. So again, it's shift and P, shift and the key next to the M, P, shift and the key next to the M, then shift and the key next to the M, a closing backslash, a P element, and then the shift and the key next to the M. And then what we're going to do is we'll move the one down, and Control V will put in the rest of the text. Then we're going to run tests, and it's going to say your code should have one main element. The main element should have 2 paragraph elements are children. The opening main tag should come before the second closing paragraph tag. Right, so done that. Then create a main element and nest only the 2 paragraph elements inside the main element. So basically we're going to do shifting the key next to the M, put a main tag in, and then again we want to put shift backslash, shifting the key next to the M, backslash main, shifting the key next to the M. Yabba dabba do, moving on. So add images to your website. You can add images to your website using the img tag, the img element, and point to a specific image URL using the src attribute. An example of this would be shifting the key next to the M, img space src for source equals semicolon inverted commas https ://www.freecatphotoapp.com. Note that the image elements are self-closing. An image element must have an attribute